Hey, it's Chris Tucci again. This week I updated my Module 6 assignment to have some user input validation. I added some JavaScript to the heads of both my add color and add shade pages. I also created a shade validation servlet, which was to manage some cross-validation across the color and shade tables. Well, without further ado, we can jump into it here. We can add a color here. Let's say white. And for the input validation, I am testing for the hex value. So if I enter an invalid hex value, it will get an error message. I have a color in here already, but it does not get added unless I do a valid hex value here. If I check SQL again, it was indeed added. You can also do that with shade. I'm just going to call it whatever we want here. Again, if I do an invalid thing here, I get a message. 4, 5, 6. And also, if I do an invalid parent color ID, it also checks against it. And so if I have it as a shade of black and add it here, I can pull this up again, and it was indeed added. Follow that away. I also bring up that my Module 2 grade is still a 0 out of 50. And also my Module 5 grade is reduced because my GitHubs were accidentally set to private. They have been set to public for a few weeks now, and I believe you should consider regrading them for a couple of reasons. One, GitHub sets repos to private by default. It's an easy mistake to set your GitHub repos to private instead of public, especially on like the second week. And two, it's a GitHub repo. You can easily verify when I submitted and created the repos, and you can easily check to see that my assignments were submitted on time. And lastly, it took over a month for these to be graded. You could have notified me that they were private servers a lot sooner. All that said, I think you should hopefully consider regrading them. That's about it for this week.